President Trump just scored a major win today in his birthright citizenship case in the Supreme Court, so let's get into it. So the Supreme Court just ruled 6-3 to limit how much power federal judges have to block executive orders from being enforced nationwide. One of the big issues at the center of this decision is birthright citizenship. But here's the thing, the court didn't actually rule on whether or not President Trump's executive order itself is constitutional. So for now, the legal status of that order is very much so still up in the air. To break it down a bit, the justices basically said that nationwide injunctions where one judge can halt a policy across an entire country might be going too far. That includes the rulings that stopped President Trump's birthright citizenship order from taking effect. Now, this whole thing reached the Supreme Court after 3 federal judges blocked the order, so the Trump administration appealed on an emergency basis. When the court heard arguments last month, a lot of the discussion centered around what would happen if the government were allowed to deny citizenship to kids born to undocumented parents here in the U.S. Some of the conservative justices, like Chief Justice John Roberts and Justice Brett Kavanaugh, seem to agree that lower courts might have overstepped by putting a stop to Trump's executive order. On the other side, Justice Sonia Sotomayor pushed back, saying the order went against the Constitution. Trump signed the order on the first day of his second term, but it's been on hold ever since because of the lower court rulings. The big question here is whether the order violates the 14th Amendment, which says all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States. So while the court didn't make a final call on that issue just yet, this ruling could change how similar orders are handled going forward, and it keeps the debate of birthright citizenship very much alive.